If you're visiting Dollywood and think the train is just a relaxing ride, think again. You're about to board the real coal-fired steam locomotive built during World War II, and it's still hard at work today. This is Dollywood's train number 192, and we're experiencing the full loop while uncovering the history, mechanics, and hidden details most guests never notice.
Now we're moving the last couple cars. We got to your left and go left. So wave goodbye to our people down there. That's Russ. Everyone say bye, Russ. All one say bye, Russ. There we go. We'll see you in about 20 minutes.
Dollywood's train isn't a replica or a prop. It's a fully operational steam railroad that circles nearly 5 miles of the park. Train 192 is one of the most iconic engines in the lineup, pulling guests through areas you can't access any other way. Train 192 was built in 1943 for the U.S. Army Transportation Corps during World War II. These engines were designed to move heavy equipment under extreme conditions, prioritizing durability and reliability. After the war, locomotives like this were sold into private service rather than being scrapped. Here's what's happening beneath you right now. Coal is burned into the firebox, heating water inside the boiler until it becomes higher pressure steam. That steam is routed into pistons pushing massive steel rods that turn the driving wheels.
Folks, we here at Dollywood are also proud of Florida. Katie, would you like to let her show off every once in a while? So what you say on the count of 3? Would you like your engineer Drew to play a tune on that Crosby three-shot whistle? I said, would you like your tune on that whistle? All right, then at the count of 3, let's tell her to blow the whistle. You ready? Gotta be real loud so you can hear you. 1, 2, 3.
The route the train takes gives you some of the best hidden views in Dollywood, especially during the fall color season. It also gives you a sense of how large the park really is, which is something you can't fully experience on foot. For many guests, this becomes their favorite ride of the day, not for thrills, but for atmosphere. Keeping Train 192 running requires constant care. The locomotive is inspected daily, pressure checks and mechanical inspections performed by skilled technicians. During the off-season, the train undergoes deeper maintenance, including boiler inspections and custom part fabrication. Many replacement components are handmade because modern equivalents simply don't exist. This dedication is what allows Dollywood to operate one of the most respected steam programs in the theme park industry. Train 192 is more than a ride, it's working history. Every trip helps preserve steam railroading for future generations, letting guests experience something authentic in a digital world. It connects Dollywood's modern attractions to the industrial roots of the Appalachian railroads that helped shape the region.
Here on the count of three, let's see the loudest train today. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Hey, great job, everyone.
If you enjoyed this ride and history of Dollywood's Train 192, be sure and like the video, subscribe for more theme park and attraction POVs, and drop a comment below. Have you ridden this train, and when was your last visit to Dollywood? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
On behalf of myself, conductor Eli, back here in car number 7, and my assistant conductor up there by the name of John, he's on car 3. We'd like to thank y'all for riding with us today here on the Dollywood Express. We hope you enjoyed the rest of your day here at Dollywood.